In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word's advanced writing, proofing, and editing tools. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Microsoft Word goes far beyond basic spell check, and today I'll show you how to turn those built-in tools into a personal editor that sharpens clarity, strengthens style, and elevates your overall writing. Start with the Editor pane on the Home tab. When you open Editor, you'll see two helpful sections. Corrections catches the usual spelling and grammar issues, while Refinements looks deeper, suggesting improvements for clarity, conciseness, formality, inclusion, and even vocabulary. You'll also see useful scores, such as readability and the number of unique words, which give you a quick sense of variety and accessibility in your writing. Don't feel pressured to accept everything. Treat the suggestions as guidance, and use your judgment to maintain your voice. When a sentence feels repetitive, try the thesaurus. Right-click a word and choose synonyms for quick options, or select the word and press Shift plus F7 to open the full thesaurus pane. Read the surrounding sentence out loud to make sure your replacement fits the context. Speaking of reading aloud, head to the Review tab and turn on Read Aloud. Hearing your document can reveal awkward phrasing, accidental rhymes, or run-on sentences you might miss while skimming silently. It's a simple way to catch rough spots before you share your work. Keep an eye on length with word count. You'll see a quick count in the status bar, but for more detail, go to Review and select word count to view characters with and without spaces, plus paragraphs and lines. This is great for meeting submission requirements or trimming efficiently. For a deeper check on accessibility, enable Readability statistics. Go to File, Options, then Proofing, and check the option to show readability statistics. After running a spell check, Word displays scores like Flesch Kincaid grade level and Flesch reading ease, helping you aim your tone and complexity at the right audience. Structure your ideas as you write by applying heading styles on the Home tab. Then open the Navigation pane from the View tab. This gives you a dynamic outline you can use to jump between sections and keep your document organized. If you prefer speaking to typing, use Dictate on the Home tab for speech to text. Need to convert a recording? Under the Dictate drop-down, choose Transcribe to process pre-recorded audio and even separate speakers automatically. For multilingual projects, highlight text and go to Review. Translate to translate words or the entire document. Finally, speed up repetitive writing with autocorrect and auto text. Create short shortcuts that expand into longer phrases, or save reusable blocks like disclaimers via Insert, Quick Parts, so you can drop them in instantly. Use these tools together, and Word becomes a powerful partner in crafting clear, polished writing. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.